Hey everyone, today I'm going to guide you through the display calibration process. It's essential for ensuring accurate touch responses and optimal performance. Enter the panel menu System and navigate to Maintenance, Display, Coordinates. The display calibration is performed in 5 simple steps. Ensure you only touch the screen in the circled areas as directed. Follow the on-screen instructions. The display will prompt you to click the circle in the upper left-hand corner. Press the indicated point in the top left-hand corner of the display 3 times. Repeat the process for the top right-hand corner, the bottom right-hand corner, and the bottom left-hand corner. When successful, the screen will display Calibration OK. Press the center of the screen to confirm. If the calibration process was successful, the panel will automatically revert to the initial screen. If unsuccessful, press the center of the screen and start the calibration process again. And that's it. Your display is now calibrated and ready to use.